Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing a horrible grinding noise from your Thermomix TM31 blades, you're not alone. This often happens due to wear and tear over time, or it could be a sign that the blades are misaligned or damaged. If left unchecked, this issue can lead to further damage to your device, potentially resulting in costly repairs. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement blade set, and a pair of tweezers for handling small components. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged before beginning the repair. Start by removing the bowl from the base. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 3 screws located on the bottom of the device. Be careful not to strip the screws, applying a steady force as you turn. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the casing using your flathead screwdriver. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips or tabs. Inside, locate the blade assembly. Inspect it for any visible damage or debris that may be causing the grinding noise. To extract the blades, carefully disconnect any cables attached to the assembly, noting where they connect for reassembly later. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the cables are disconnected, use your tweezers to gently pull out the blade assembly. Replace it with your new blade set, ensuring it fits snugly into place. Reconnect the cables in their original positions, ensuring a secure connection. Now, carefully close the casing, making sure all clips are engaged. Reinsert the screws and tighten them gently to avoid stripping them again. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and test the blades to ensure the grinding noise has ceased. To prevent this problem from occurring again, regularly check and clean the blades, and avoid overloading your Thermomix with tough ingredients. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.